Hi guys, today I'll show you how to crochet newborn baby hat. This is a very easy pattern and you can finish it quickly. I'll be using crochet hook 5mm medium white yarn, scissors, yarn needle and measuring tape. So let's begin. I'll start the hat by making slip knot, then chain 4. So close the ring, chain 2. I will not count this chain 2 as double crochet. And now I will make 12 double crochets in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Join to close the ring. Round 2, chain 2. I will increase for this round, so make 2 double crochets in every stitch. In this stitch I will make 1 double crochet, join, next round chain 2, not count as double crochet. I continue to increase, so 2 double crochets in every odd stitch, 1 double crochet in the even stitches, two double crochets in the last stitch, then 1 double crochet in this stitch. So I have 39 stitches, join, round 4, chain 1, this is the first stitch, this is the front loop of the stitch, and this is the back loop of the stitch. So in each front loop of the out stitches I will do 1 half double crochet, and in each back loop of the even stitches I'll work 1 half double crochet. So 1 half double crochet in the front loop of the stitch, then 1 half double crochet in the back loop of the stitch, and I'll continue to repeat these 2 stitches until I finish round 4. And I'll finish by making 1 half double crochet in the front loop of the last stitch. Join with slip stitch to the first stitch of the round, and my round 4 is complete. Next round 5, chain 1. I'll alternate the stitches. So in the first stitch I will make 1 half double crochet into the back loop, in the next stitch I'll make 1 half double crochet in the front loop. I'll finish the round by making 1 half double crochet in the back loop of the stitch, then join with slip stitch to the first stitch of the round, chain 1, round 6 will be as round 4, 1 half double crochet into the front loop of the stitch, Then 1 half double crochet into the back loop of the stitch and repeat. Then join with slip stitch to the first stitch of the round. For round 7, chain 1, and I'll repeat round 5, 1 half double crochet into the back loop of the stitch, then 1 half double crochet into the front loop of the stitch, then continue to repeat. Then join with slip stitch to the first stitch of the round. Then continue to crochet by repeating the last 2 rounds. So the baby hat is ready. Thanks so much to stay with me until the end of the video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to stay updated. Take care and keep crocheting. See you in the next video.